Did you get it all?
No, just outside.
Last time on La Vie Flottante, we took a look at the Jeanneau 440. In this episode, we will walk through the Jeanneau 349 and the beautiful Lagoon 440S. Let's take a look. You gonna go down now?
Yeah, I'm going down to get up. Oh, this is nice. They make it round.
Oh yeah, nice.
Not so flat. Oh, nice wood. Look over there. Captain. Nice wood there. The floor is same like the other boat.
Pretty boat. The forward area.
So you have to, when you get up or get down, you have to
Sail bag there.
be careful of the shelf because you don't want to hit your head.
Shower must be in the back, huh?
No shower here. Oh, shower is over there. There's a more
Nice.
cabin here. See?
Yeah.
Nice shower.
Oh, beautiful, huh?
It's nice big closet. Oh no. Toilet. The toilet.
There's no shower head in there?
Oh yeah, there's a shower head.
Yeah.
Tiny.
Yeah.
Wanna come in?
How about this stateroom?
Oh, see, for me, I cannot get in with my backpack. This way. Don't hit my head. So you have to go in.
Oh yeah, I think you put your feet at the other end.
Oh, your head is out. I would go head in.
It's easier to get in bed the other way.
No, it's easier to go this way and then come out. Your
Because
feet.
you want to be, you can't sit up the other direction.
Oh, no wonder the
That's why the
reading
reading
lights.
light's there. Yeah. And how big's your closet?
This big.
That's the line.
Look, this big is
Enough
my
for 3
closet.
bikinis.
One side is a fire extinguisher, the right side, so I only have this side
That's
of the
it, huh?
closet. Oh, here's some closet here. Can put some clothes here. This is Catamaran. It's like a lot of. It's a Catamaran. That's the boat we want.
Yeah.
Okay. I had some people disembark.
45?
45 Catamaran. Why are you making?
Yeah. The room aboard?
Welcome aboard.
Look how huge it is! Wow! Oh my gosh! Oh, it's 45.
Yes.
45 footer.
Is that the right size for you?
That'll
Yeah,
work.
looks like it. It will work.
Yeah, that will work.
Oh, look at the windows over there.
Gorgeous.
Can close the window.
Nice layout.
Enjoy the outdoor
Kevin, you
sitting.
keep them on. Okay.
Well, we live in 30 today.
Oh, really?
No, not yet.
Captain's area.
Where's the big monitor?
They're on covers right now.
This
They're
one?
behind here.
But this doesn't look very modern.
Well, it's not brand new. Yanmar is pretty standard.
Forward, backward,
Yeah, both engines, 2 engines.
2 engines.
Look at those big winches. 3 big power winches.
Hey, you can do some tanning over there.
Yeah, go on up there.
Oh, I love this boat already. So comfortable to walk on the
So nice, isn't it? This is a
We're actually sailing along doing this. Yeah.
got your trampoline there, huh? Yeah. Do a backflip.
Huh?
Do a backflip. You could live on this, couldn't you?
Huh?
Could you live on this?
Yeah, of course. I think so.
Beautiful.
Okay, I'm going to do a. Wait a minute here one more time. I hope I will not hurt myself. 1, 2, 3. Oh, this is our dream. Isn't this our dream? We always envy people when we see them on TV, right? I can fall asleep here.
See the water down below you.
Oh yeah, I can see fish.
Yeah.
Not really, not now. I can see dolphins. Oh, that's nice. Can get some candy over there. Ice refrigerator. Let's go check this. You can see so many people there.
Yeah, go ahead and sit down. Very nice, huh? Put a lot of people on this boat.
Put some pillows behind it so we don't hit the board here.
Big boat.
It's a little hesitant to step on this, but you're on it, so I guess we're good, huh?
Oh, you're good.
Holy cow.
Watch out for sharks, though.
I'm on the trampoline, it's holding both of us on here, it's a pretty big deal. Right there.
Wow. Yeah, we can definitely live in it, right?
It's huge.
It's 45,
Huge living
but it's
area.
so wide.
Yeah, it's a nice sized boat.
45 foot ounce long. 45 foot long, right? But
45 long.
Don't know wide.
Looks like
Double
it's
size.
about, the beam is probably 28 feet maybe.
Huge! Look at how huge the boat is! Oh my god!
Nice flat deck, huh?
Yeah, so comfortable to walk through. Doesn't have to be like the boat we saw before. You have to like squeeze or crawl. This one you can open wide. Oh, look the anchor here. This is anchor. Huge. Can we go inside now?
Yeah, let's go inside.
See how busy this boat is?
Popular boat.
So nice.
Love it.
The flowing.
He's the one you buy it.
Nice cabins.
Wow, so huge!
So good.
So wide! Wow. It's like 2 people, no problem. so wide.
Got a desk here.
Yeah, walking desk. Lots of closet. Oh, drawer space here, storage. The desk, you can do your computer work. Little fan even.
Yeah.
And let's go to
head.
the shower. Wow, walk-in shower. How about that? And this is the shower. Oh, full door. You can see the view outside. There's a window.
Nice view while you're taking a shower, huh?
You can still enjoy the view when you're in
Oh,
shower.
yeah.
Wow, look at the lights. So passion.
Yeah.
A little
And there's a
light.
sun right up here too.
LED light. Oh, that's nice counter. Now open this one. Yeah, you can. Here. Wow, deep closet. Deep space. Look. Huh?
Oh yeah.
Pretty deep. See how deep it is?
Really deep.
Oh, there's a mirror here. Lots of space here.
There's a closet back here.
Not closet, but storage.
Shut the door once.
See the storage here? Lots of storage here.
Yeah.
Here too.
Nice.
Oh, deep
closets
space.
here.
Yeah.
Lots of room, huh?
Toilet.
Beautiful.
More space down there. Wow, so two big ones. Wow.
So Rebecca, what do you like about this boat?
This is the dream boat. Catamaran, of course.
Of course it's a dream boat.
So wide.
Really wide.
45-foot deep.
Good to cruise.
Yeah, good.
Comfortable cruising.
And the shower.
Lots of floor space.
And the storage area is tons of it.
Master head stateroom was beautiful, huh?
Nice.
Big shower
And you
and
have the
bathroom head.
outdoor deck area, so nicely, comfortably
You don't
sitting
even
down.
feel like you're on the water right now. It's
No.
not moving at all, right? It's so,
No.
so wide.
Yeah, the other boat we went on, I can
You can feel a little bit
yeah,
of waving, and it's calm here, of
Yeah,
course.
this one is not moving at all.
Right.
Even lots of people walking
Right.
on and off, but still.
So this is how much money?
This is a used one. I heard them say $650,
$650.
and the new one is a $710.
$710.
So enough money for you to buy a house here. Well, not buy a house
not
here.
here.
It's
San Francisco. Most places.
Yeah, so you can either live on the boat, nice boat like this, or you squeeze yourself in a teeny tiny apartment or house, single home house.
Right.
So lots of options.
This
huh?
boat is well attended. A lot of people, a lot of interest in the boat also, right? It's
This
very
is the most
crowded.
boat we have
Of course,
ever
you can
been
put a
on.
lot of people on it.
Yeah.
But what about this galley? Isn't it beautiful?
Oh,
You can seat
that
so many
whole
people in the
area,
galley.
Yeah, it's
And then you have more room out here in this back area.
and a top deck.
Oh, and
The
top
top deck.
sunny
And the
area.
outside.
There's so many levels to the boat. It's so much more boat.
Sounds like we are getting this boat. Are
Should
we?
we get this boat?
Are we getting this boat?
Makes me think, huh?
So do really a floating life.
Oh, really a Levy
Really
floating life. Huh? Yeah, that's a
Okay.
good idea.
Think
Let's
about
do
it. Huh?
All right,
Oh, do it. Not just think about it.
let's do it.
Do it. Okay. Which boat you like?
Well, my favorite was the Lagoon.
Oh, Lagoon.
Lagoon
The
Catamaran. I mean, just
Catamaran.
because to live on that would be a dream. You're not costing a lot of money to sail around the world, and you got this big platform that's very stable.
And they have the nice.
And the
front.
owner's cabin was beautiful with the big the big bathroom. So just a big boat, but a lot of money also.
And they have a trampoline in the front, right?
Yeah.
So we need to experience the catamaran first before we buy the boat, right? So the good way is we need to rent the boat. We need to
Okay.
charter the boat.
Good idea.
So 4 hours, we ask for the price. 4 hours, 1,400, and plus captain and crew, 300.
300.
Yeah, 300. So
Yeah.
1,700 to charter
2,000
the boat.
for 8 hours. Plus the
2,000,
crew.
yes.
So 2,300.
Yeah, and then you can bring all the
12
food
people you can
want.
bring.
Yeah, 12 people on board
Food and beer.
only.
Just no red wine.
Yeah, no red
Because it
wine.
stains the boat.
Right, so they don't allow red wine on the
Yeah.
boat. Yeah, so maybe we should charter the catamaran before we make a decision,
Yeah,
right?
okay,
That's
good
a good
idea.
idea, huh? So that's the boat show in Richmond, California, 2018.
Yeah.
And don't forget, leave us a comment if you are interested to charter the catamaran with us. Let's have fun together on the boat. Yay!
Don't forget to share and like La Vie Flottante with
And
your
subscribe,
friends.
subscribe.
To us.
Love you for a ton. Subscribe.
And we'll give you more videos shortly. See you
Alright.
later.
See you later.
And what?
Thanks for watching this episode of La Vie Flottante. Stay tuned for more boat tours as we visit the Beneteau Oceanus 45 and also some luxurious power yachts. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time on La Vie Flottante.